Young and fun are two important keywords today. Today, we are also happy to announce that as one of the first smartphones to adapt the latest Android 11, Realme is bringing to you the brand new Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11. With the vision of seamless fun for Gen Z, I will share details later. Thanks, Sri. So everyone, let me introduce you to our final surprise of the day, the brand new Realme UI 2.0 based on the latest Android 11. Before we take you through the Realme UI 2.0, let's take a quick look at the Realme UI 1.0. With the Realme UI 1.0, we were the first to bring a seamless fun smartphone system, giving users an enjoyable, light and smooth experience. In our first generation of Realme UI, based on Android 10, we introduced a circular design prototype for the first time and designed a whole new set of visual interaction systems. In terms of functionality, we embedded a lot of fun elements such as icon customization, dual mode music sharing, and more. Based on our in-depth research, we have segmented the Gen Z consumers' requirements into three main categories: creativity, sociability, and productivity. The upgraded Realme UI 2.0 meets the diversified requirements across these categories. So let's talk about the creativity first. Creativity is the core function of Realme UI 2.0, and it complements the need of Gen Z users to express themselves in the most creative fashion. Realme UI 2.0 is one of the most customizable and the freest OS in the market, giving a highly personalized UI experience for the Gen Z users. It supports over 100 customizable items, and we have added more new features. Let me share with you one by one. Firstly, with the new global theme color function, you can customize the color as per your own preferences. Much like the system main interface color, you can also choose your own colors for notification bar, shortcut buttons, setting interface icons, and other 23 interfaces. For the vibrant millennials, we have built in 5 color palettes in warm and color shades with their own unique style. You will be spoiled for choices with the pink and premium orangey shades, as well as 10 other monochromes at your disposal. Secondly, we have given the AOD, always on display features, an unprecedented upgrade. With 5 themes to choose from: digital clock, analog clock, text and image, and text only. Most importantly, you can create your own AOD patterns. I am proud to share that we have developed the first customization engine in the market, which will allow you to create unique patterns with just a touch of your finger. So please go ahead and try it out and have fun. Don't forget to let me know how your experience was. Thirdly, we have the newly upgraded dark mode. We have received feedback from some of our fans that previously the dark mode was making the background pure black, with the contrast being too high, creating discomfort for the eyes. While some fans have said that they love the pure black interface, as black is cool and mysterious. We have provided 3 options for the dark mode this time: enhanced mode, gentle mode, and of course the medium mode, to cater to everyone's needs. It also supports the intelligent auto adjustment, adjusting automatically the contrast according to the ambience light. I want to share with you some more special highlights. Now we have opened up almost all of the system interface design permissions. Our icon customization engine now not only supports size, shape, text size, but also any third-party icon package which you may like it. We provided a rich store of fonts to indulge your creative expressions. Just download and use any of them. There are infinite adjustments that you can make to the fonts. Now you can decide how thick or thin you want your fonts to be. We have also given third-party launchers access to your desktop design so that you can get more customizability. Along with the third-party access, we have also introduced special small features and design styles that are compatible with Android 11. We have kept the unique layout of stock Android 11 notification bar, making the arrangements of information more easy and free. Realme UI 2.0 will support the latest notification bubbles with the super convenient output switcher. Then comes the sociability. Gen Z always love to socialize, share our hobbies and interests, and with this, we bond deeper with the like-minded people. Realme UI 2.0 also offers exciting features that enhance sociability. Realme UI 2.0 has a new subtitle stitching features that allows you to share your favorite movies and favorite lines seamlessly. If you like music, don't miss dual mode music sharing to share your current favorite tracks with your friends. And the powerful Realme Share allows you to share your photos with your friends in the snip of a finger. The ease of sharing also brings privacy concerns. Let me introduce you to the awesome Deep Sea Privacy Plan, which will assure you that your personal data and information is supremely safe and secure. There are two powerful trump cards in the DeepSea privacy plan. Firstly, the invisible door. Under it, your personal information and data will always be protected. With personal information protection, whenever any app will try to read your personal data, the system will give the app a blank information to prevent misuse of your personal data. The private space is a safe haven where you can hide your private apps and files, and to further strengthen the security, its entrance is hidden with a password. Second is the security shield. The Realme UI 2.0 now provides payment shield, application permission monitoring system, pseudo site blocking, harassment call blocking, and access to Android 11 security features. With all these features, you can share your creativity without worrying about the protection of their personal data and privacy. Let's talk about productivity. Whether you are studying or working, productivity and multitasking is the primary driver for today's youth. As all our users know, Realme UI 1.0 is one of the most smooth systems in the industry. While Realme UI 2.0 improves further, first is the optimization of the basic issue of the system. By using the Fluid Engine, Realme UI 2.0 have improved utilization of system resources by 45%, which resulted in a 32% increase in the system speed and a 17% increase in the frame rate stability than the last generation. We have improved the speed of app launching. Realme UI 2.0 featuring AI pre-launch method to shorten 23.63% time for the app launching. And the brand new mini window features will give you more possibilities. You can chat with your friends and watch the video at the same time. A good rest matters a lot. It's always important to focus on your sleep so you can always be at your best productivity. Realme UI 2.0 not only accesses the new Android digital health system, but also offers a self-developed sleep capture feature. It keeps track of your daily health, reminding you to put down your phone and catch up on some much-needed peaceful sleep.
Be there too.
Excited already? We will make the best effort to bring you the Realme UI 2.0 at the earliest. By the way, X50 Pro will be the first smartphone to get an update to the Realme UI 2.0. This month, we will release the closed beta version for X50 Pro and followed by the open beta version next month. The official version will be released in November. To know more about the update plan, please refer to the Realme community and the social handles. That's all for the new Realme UI 2.0. Seamless fun for the Gen Z users. That's the end of the all new offerings today. I hope you like these awesome products and the new Realme UI 2.0. Now let's unveil the prices.